This video, I'm just going to go a little further with the blog posting and show you some more tricks with the editor. First of all, to add a new, this is my blog here, and I want to add a new article. Where you add is you go to collections, and blog is part of a collection. Blogs are, the things that are collections are photo albums, portfolio items, anything that's repeating. They have a little database in here that you can work with. So let's go to news. It's the same as blog. Okay, first thing we want to do is figure out how to add a new one. So we'll put a new news. And I've got some information I'm just going to bring in again. So my title is how to add a blog post. To do the date, don't type in here. Just click on here and pick the date. And the date that you pick here will be the date that shows on the blog posting. And the blog postings are sorted by this date. Okay, I want it to be a current article. Okay, so my main content, let's have a look. I'm just going to copy and paste some stuff in. Just go here and paste. Perfect. And then I've got a caption that I have on my news page that just has a short summary. And again, for speed, I'm just going to put it in quick. Okay, and then we'll put an image. And I've got a couple more fields. I've got a video and a link. Well, we won't put the video in now, I'll just put the link in. Okay, so that's our little blog article. So let's create it. At this point, it's saved, staged, and you have to publish it. Okay, so we're all published, everything's good. We'll go back to the site and have a look at it. It's now been added, and if you can see, it goes April 9th, April 3rd, down to March 21st. So you see the sort order. That's the picture we uploaded, that's the title, the date, and that's the caption, the short caption. So if you want to change the caption, you would just click here and you could edit it. Let's go and have a look at it. The easiest way, once you get in, is to do your final writing in here. So there's the title, the date, the picture. And if you want to replace the picture, you just click on here. Okay, let's go into here. This is where we do most of our editing. And let's say we want to add another picture. Or even let's do a heading first. Okay, once that's selected and you highlight it, it gives you some options. You can bold it, italics, and these are headings. H2 is bigger than H3. You can do quotes. Okay, so that's how you work with headings. So let's take the italics off, bold off, just leave it with an H2. That's a good heading. Now let's say we wanted to add a picture. Put the same one in. Okay, so what do we got here? So this is embedded right into the editing, and this is where you have a little more flexibility. Let's just have a quick look at the options. That makes it really big, puts a caption down below. Caption below. I like that, but it's a bit too big. To change the size, just click on the wrench, go to size, and let's go custom. Right now it's 60% of the width of the article space. Let's bring it down to 30. Okay, so that's where we're at. That sizing looks good. If we wanted it on this side, we could do it. Okay, just a couple more things you can do with this. You can put a link on your picture. Those are your positions. And the alt text is for SEO. If you want to put a little description, that's where you put it in. Okay, so we've got headings, text. Yeah, I can just add. It should go around the picture automatically. Yep. If we wanted to do a link in the middle of the text, just doing this really quick, just so I want to give you an idea. Okay. Oh, I don't think I saved that. Let's do that again. Click on there, check. Yep, there's our links there. So we were able to add more text, put a heading in, organize a picture. Now, one other trick, the way the editor works, and we're going to go back, let's go back to the collection here where we can see it. We'll publish our changes. Again, it saves it, but to get it published, you've got to just watch for that little thing that says to publish changes. Go back to news, how to write a blog post. One other trick, I'm just giving you, just want you to see everything once just to get an idea. Say you've got a video that you want to feature in your blog. This is the YouTube video at the top. This is the actual page URL or page name. Once you put it in, if you did it right, you'll see that it brings up a preview and picks up the information from YouTube. This will work for YouTube and Vimeo. And the logic is it's going to show the picture on the caption and the thumbnail. And then when you come in, it's going to have the feature of the video. So let's just give it a try, see if it works all right. Okay, we'll publish it. Go back to view site. Now the way this would work, if we go to our news section now, it's the picture, title, date, and we're clicking on this. We've put a video in, so it'll override the picture. Looks good, and then there's all the changes we just put in. So that gives you an idea of, and anywhere in the site where there's an editing box, you can go in, and these are the tricks you can do.